is actually the first episode of the new year. So sorry we were quite absent since Jan started. There's so much happening, and I was so excited to bring you new things that we have this year. We are starting with a live for Jadao collection. Now, Jadao is something which has been on our website, but each time to replicate and make more products of it takes a really long time. And launching a brand new collection from it, because we've been having Jadao on our website since a while and the designs weren't renewed, because getting new designs in this is a task. So now we have a brand new collection of it. I'm gonna quickly start taking you through it. This is the first piece that I have. It's a small choker set. If you can see, it's more mid-sized. Comes with these round Jadao studs, and this one is for 6950. The work is really intricate. For all those who don't know, Jadao is basically the use of Jartar work with rubies, emeralds, and pearls primarily. It doesn't involve polkis at all. This is a new concept we have tried. It's basically gold with just pearls. If you see, it's a very heavy set but looks super delicate and pretty. And this one's for 8650. It comes with these gorgeous chandbalis. It doesn't have any kind of jartar work on top of it. It's just a plain gold set, and the workmanship is very, very neat. Meanwhile, going on, we have this ruby delicate necklace set. Comes with this kind of a pearl setting and a mini chandbali as well. Again, the craftsmanship, the make is stunning, and this one is only for 5450. And these pieces will be alive on the website after a while, but for now we were just launching them just to understand the response, just to see how the response is. We also have this stunning heavy necklace set, a jhalar necklace set with this offbeat chandbali concept, and this one is only for 9650. The piece is quite heavy if you see it, and the assortment and the layout of it is quite different and unique. Going forward, I have this Aziza 2.0 style of choker set, now in a Navratna color. After the love that the pearl one got, we launched it in Navratna, and I think the outcome is quite stunning. It looks very pretty, and we love the detail of red and green being dominant around with multicolored stones. And this one is again quite reasonably priced. It is there on the website as well. You can check it out as well. Moving forward, we have this heavy bridal choker set with a disc in the center. If you see the make of it, it's very pretty. It's a full tukri work, and the centerpiece is also quite gorgeous and enormous. Someone who loves wearing chokers and need it to be a statement piece, this one is definitely a must-have. The earrings it comes with are also quite gorgeous, and this one's for 12450. We have this Iram Dasti style choker set. This is a heavier version of the same. If you see, it's in Navratna. Comes with a gorgeous thick centerpiece, and the pearl work around the piroi is quite clean and neat, and it comes with these oversized studs with a drop style piece. So it's not really a small one. If you see from far, you'll be able to understand the size of it. It pretty much matches the sides of the disc, and this one is for 10450. Moving on, I have another heavy choker set, which is this piece. The detailing is next to real. If you see the oval pearls and the bottom tukris around it, they are very, very pretty and very, very dainty, and it's a dual-sided Jadao earring. It has this oval piece and a pair dropped again, and this one is 8650. It is quite reasonable for a heavy piece like this. It looks quite nice when worn as well. We've tried these pieces. They look stunning. The photo shoot is pending, and we're going to launch these on the website very soon, but the prices would be slightly more on the website. On the lives, we give the benefit for the clients who are watching the live. This one is stunning, gorgeous Jadao set as well, with pearls on the side. Very, very Indo-Western in terms of its looks, even though it has a very traditional vibe to it. And this one is for 8650. It's really, really pretty. In case you guys want more videos and photos, we are happy to send it to you guys. Please feel free to approach our team. We have this Matar Mala also. This one, after a Sonamoti Mala took a hit, we launched this one in Navratna. The Sonamoti Mala has been on our website since almost 4 to 5 years now, and has always been loved by you guys. And this one's for 5450 in Navratna. It's really pretty. Meanwhile, the Matar Mala is something which has Sonamoti balls and has pearls in the middle to bifurcate it. Looks very royal again, goes with any sari, any suit you want to wear it with. It's quite easy to style it. If you see the detailing, it's quite intense again. and the workmanship is very clean. And this one's only for 7250, and the Sona Moti Mala and Navratna for 5450. Moving on, I'm gonna show you a few earrings over here. This is a heart Chand Bali sort of a concept, and this is for 4650. It has very pretty pink drops at the bottom. I have this super oversized piece at 6250. Now in the looks of it, it looks quite like normal, but you have to just understand. I'll just show it to you on my ear. It is quite enormous, like it's a big piece, so it's a statement piece. If you're looking for a big jhumka, this one is definitely something you must have it. So 6250. Another jhumka that we have launched in a bridal section is this one. You know, a lot of people just want to wear jhumkas for mehendi functions or haldi functions in the morning with a nice mang tika, and these are definitely the kind of jhumkas they should opt for, which make a statement quite effortlessly. It's a Navratna piece only for 6250, but something which I think is totally worth 6250 is this piece. This is another jhumka with a drop style jhumka and a big star on top. This is quite enormous. Again, I'm going to quietly place it on my ear to give you an idea of how huge it is. So it gives you a look of how grand it will be once you wear it. It's only for 6250. You can add a kanoti to it, wear it with a tika, and just this is quite effortless. Meanwhile, we've launched our famous jhumka, which is on our website, Naseem Jhumka, and we've launched it in Navratna now. It's quite gorgeous. You can check it out. The price is the same as a Naseem Jhumka. We've not charged more for Navratna. Meanwhile, a Taskeen Chand Bali has now come in these two colors. There's a Feroza and there's a gorgeous Navratna again. This is for 4950, guys. Even this is an oversized Chand Bali earring, very pretty, very elegant, looks very nice when worn. Now for people who don't want very big pieces, this one's a gorgeous piece, super differently sized, super differently designed. It's only for 2950, very light in weight also, and it's completely in pearls. It can be customized into colors in case you guys want it on an order. Meanwhile, I have this pretty Chand Bali as well, Chand Bali with a jhumka drop. It's only for 4250. It has ruby and green, and the weight is quite bearable, like it's not really heavy. And again, this looks very grand. So we have a red and green in this. I have this offbeat Chand Bali as well, only for 3950. It's quite big, but it has a nice gapping between the flower on top and the chand below. It's quite different, unique. The style is very nice. Looks good when worn. I also have this one for 4250. This is also an oversized Chand Bali concept. It has multi red and green and has pearl drops, but again, this can also be customized in Navratna or any other color. I have this sea hook style earring also. A lot of people want these style of earrings. They don't want studs. They want something which can just be easily put on, easily removed. So for people who don't have very drooping earlobes, this is a good option. It's only for 3450, and the setting is very neat. If you see the jhalar concept below in green and pearls, it's very pretty. We also have this mini Chand Bali, only for 2650. A lot of people would want to know the size of it. I'm just going to place it against my ear so you get an idea of how big or small it is. It's quite effortless, simple, and quite stunning by the make of it. We also have this one in Navratna, only for 4250. Even this one's a pretty one, and we have it in Navratna now. This was on the website at Multi, and this is another one at 3250. It's a pan style Chand Bali, very pretty. Again, the prices are only for the live on the website. It will be slightly more. We have this guy here as well in Navratna, very effortless, very weightless, only for 3250, and it looks stunning when you wear it. These are the pieces which we wanted to launch and show you guys. I also quickly am going to take you through a few bangles that we are launching. This one's for 4650 a pair. If you see, the entire thing is pearls, and we have them in colors also. We have this in a multicolor as well. It's rubies and greens. Now again, I can make this in Navratna as well. Happy to do that for you guys. If you guys want it in Navratna, it can be customized. Only ruby, only emeralds can also be customized. Meanwhile, in multi, we also have in Navratna, we also have this pretty bangle set. Very intricate floral detailing to it. The sides don't hurt at all. And this is 5450 a pair. The work is very neat and looks very clean. I also have this solid bangle. If you see the workmanship of it, the back of it, the make of it, it's very, very, very stunning. And this Navratna pieces, the color combination is stunning. Easy to wear on anything. You can wear on anything Jadao, any of those heritage pieces you already have. And this one is only for 4850 a pair. It's quite affordable as well, but we're only selling this as a pair. We're not selling this as singles. So in case you guys are interested in something like this which looks completely offbeat, it's a choice you should go for. Meanwhile, we have this one here as well in Navratna. In case you don't want something thin and solid, you want something thick and statement making, this is a pretty piece to have. It's orange, green, multi, Firoza, has all the colors you need. And the Navratna bangle is quite stunning. The make is quite good, and the opening closing clasp is just like real jewelry. This one is a 4850 a pair, and again quite reasonably priced for the size of the piece and the look of the piece. It's quite grand. I'm gonna show you the last piece that we have here for today. Is this oval studs in Chadao. We have them in green, red and pearls. This can be customized into multi or in Navratna if you guys want, but the make of it is stunning and the piece is quite pretty as well to match with anything you guys want. Thank you so much for joining us for this live. We're going to go back to the system of having lives every Saturday. We're going to try our best to be there and show you all new collections. Next week is also quite exciting. Please be there. We're going to be launching a whole new concept in South Indian Kemp jewelry. Very excited to show it to you all. Thank you so much. Thanks for showing all the love. Please give us a feedback if you guys want. Please get in touch with us if you want any kind of assistance or help while shopping. Looking forward to hear from you all. Bye. See you all.